10 benefits of legal sex. Hope everybody is well. Today I came up with another article among you. Today I will tell you about 10 benefits of legal sex. Sex is a normal and essential part of nature. There is no substitute for sex to maintain the order of creation. But is sex the only way to maintain the flow of creation or to give instant gratification? Or is there a far-reaching benefit to a regular healthy sex life? A recent survey answers these questions. 10 benefits of legal sex. Medical scientists have discovered the various benefits of regular legal sex. Let's take a look at the 10 benefits of sexual intercourse. 1. Regular sexual intercourse gives the benefits of physical exercise. Women who are accustomed to having sex at least twice a week are less likely to have heart disease. Compared to those who are accustomed to having sex once a month, they are more likely to have a heart attack. However, in the case of men, the result may be the opposite. 2. There is no sexual intercourse to cure headaches. Studies have shown that sex is effective in curing any pain in the body. Sexual intercourse even works to relieve migraine pain. 3. Those who are accustomed to regular sex life do not suffer from stress. Sex relieves stress by doing maths or giving speeches. However, in this case, it has been said that sexual intercourse does not match the sexual process like masturbation or masturbation. 4. Healthy regular sex life prolongs life. One study found that women who reached the peak of their sensations during sexual intercourse were more likely to live longer. 5. Practice regular sexual intercourse to sharpen your intellect. According to scientists, sex is associated with the growth of brain cells. In the case of people in their 50s, their memory is sharpened as a result of daily physical contact. They are also more skilled in calculations. Sexuality is the key to happiness, psychologists claim. Sexual intercourse once a week strengthens the marital or love relationship. However, care must be taken to ensure that loyalty to one's mate remains intact. Otherwise, the opposite result is inevitable. As a result of sexual intercourse, body fat is lost. The more sexually promiscuous a person is, the more likely he is to lose his belly. However, in this case, the penalty is the same. Sexual intercourse can be slim, or lean body is more successful in sex. Scientists say that regular sexual intercourse is also important to cure colds. Studies have shown that college students who are accustomed to having sex twice a week are more likely to have anti-cold antibodies in their saliva than others. 9. The reward of sexual intercourse is sound sleep. During each orgasm, the secretion of endorphin and oxytocin hormones in the body of men and women increases. The body's pain and numbness is largely pale. Most people fall into a deep sleep because of it. 10. Regular sexual intercourse reduces the risk of cancer. Studies show that men who are accustomed to a healthy and regular sex life have a lower risk of prostate cancer. On the other hand, it reduces the risk of breast cancer in women. Stay well, stay healthy, love yourself and your family. Let us know in the comments below how you feel about our video and if you have any questions. Please share the video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching the full video.